How to create pin in Messenger. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a pin in Messenger. In order to create a pin in Messenger for secure storage and encrypted chats, you will need to simply follow these steps. First of all, you will need to open your Messenger application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once logged in, you will land on this home page. In this interface here at the top left, you'll be able to see 3 horizontal bars. Simply tap on it and then find the gear icon. Here I'm able to see my gear icon at the right side of my profile name. Once you find it, simply tap on it and then you will be taken to this page. Now here you will need to scroll down until you find privacy and safety option. Under preferences, you'll be able to see this option. Once located, simply tap on it and inside it, here under security section, you'll be able to see end-to-end encrypted chats option. Simply tap on it and inside it, look for the message storage option. Once you locate the message storage, here you will need to simply tap on it and inside it, you will need to turn on secure storage. If it is already enabled, you will be able to proceed further, but if you haven't turned it on, simply tap on turn on secure storage and then here you will need to select create a 6-digit pin option. Once you have selected it, a blue dot will appear at the right side of the option. Now simply tap on the continue button at the bottom. After that, you will be able to create a pin. Enter a 6-digit pin of your choice in this field. Once after entering it, you will need to re-enter it in order to confirm. Again, enter the same code and wait for a few seconds. After that, you will see you have successfully set up a pin. Now this will add an extra layer of security to your encrypted chats, and this pin will be required to access your encrypted chats or restore them on a new device. So this is how you can create pin in Messenger. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.